like from here. Here.
I hate you doing that.
That's not a nice thing to do.
Whoever said I was nice.
This is going on YouTube.
I don't give a shit, dude. There's worse things than me on YouTube already.
Yeah, he's like totally smashed. He's totally drunk beyond belief, and he does this weird hip thrust thing. I think Eric's making fun of him.
Eric's the one that told me to do it.
No, you were falling down and you did a hip thrust. And then
Yeah.
It hurts way less than the outline and head.
No, it's still hurt.
But not as bad because you're not moving at all.
No. He'll kick my ass.
Yeah, dude, she knows I'm a beater. And then this is her other girlfriend.
Hello.
Hi.
That's Aaron.
Aaron. Hello, Aaron.
Don't do long videos because then YouTube takes over the load.
Okay, how do I stop it?